Okay, yes, chap, yes, ladies and gentlemen, this version of the script is for those who have interest in getting started in tailoring industry. It adds more energy, keeps the information hard hitting, and speaks directly to top stitch tailoring studio audience around the world. Okay, to keep and make you engaged and excited about learning, at the end of this, you will have maintained a friendly, approachable turn in joining the fashion industry, specifically for those who have no idea about tailoring. I mean, beginners. What are you waiting for? Just join us today and subscribe to Top Stitch Tailoring Studio YouTube channel, as we will be providing you with useful, actionable advice on how to make your dreams become a reality. Guys, find me there. I'm ready on YouTube. Bye. Olinzechi.